Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to the House of Jane. I am here with Levi. He's being quite the pain in the buttski. Mwah! I love this cat, but this is not the purpose of the video. No. I am going to show you some beautiful jewelry. I get offers from time to time to work with certain companies, and a lot of times I say no. Now this company, Gona Jewelry, reached out to me, and from their email, I thought I had to promote jewelry for them in Paris. So my first response back was, I don't live in Paris. I live in the United States. Thank you, but no thanks. And then I reread it and I'm like, no, they want to send me jewelry. And I took a look and they have beautiful collections. The company is called Gona. They are located in Paris and in Strasbourg, France. They have 2 stores in Paris, actually, their flagship store and a charms store. Now, they mostly specialize in charm bracelets, but they also sell earrings and necklaces, and they have various collections throughout the year. Now, this collection is called the Enchanted Paris collection. It's all about beautiful Paris. I was in Paris a very long time ago when I was a teenager. I'd love to go back. So Gona, if you want to fly me on a plane to Paris, I am here. But in all seriousness, they have really gorgeous jewelry, and I'm going to show you everything right now. I was not paid to do this unboxing video, but they did send me the items for free, and they actually let me pick them out, which is always a treat, trust me. So this is what you're gonna get. This box came in a regular mailer, like a bag mailer, came in perfect condition. It says, thank you for choosing us, on a little sticker right there. And open it up. Their packaging is simple, elegant, and beautiful, and I can tell you that they love the color green. Green is the color, a big theme of theirs, and this is the box, the bracelet, and a set of earrings. But first, I just want to show you the little letter. It's gorgeous and thoughtful. It says, thank you. And inside, oh, not thank you, thankful. Well, I'm thankful for them too. And here is a picture of Paris, an invitation to Parisian dreams. This is step into the world where history and romance intertwine. Our I Love Paris series of charms invites you to experience the enchanting essence of Paris through our exquisitely crafted pieces. Like an enchanted souvenir, each creation captures the spirit and splendor of Paris, guiding you through its storied past and iconic landmarks. This company was also formed in 2020. It's not a very old company. It's woman-owned business, and the owner is named Nina. She is the president and CEO of Gona, and she did sign this. Well, it's printed. Her name is there on the card. And then got a little letter. And it was addressed to me, dear Lisa. So this special collection coincides with the 2024 Olympics, which starts July 26th through August 11th. I looked that up, and it's being held in Paris in quite a few locations, very many locations. So that makes this set of Enchanted Paris jewelry even more special. It says, the Parisian collection combines romance, art, and history. Join us on a beautiful journey through time and space. And they do thank you for purchasing their jewelry. So expect this when you make an order. And if you do make an order, I'll listed down below of my coupon code LISA20 will get you 20% off your entire order. Okay, let's look at the pieces. Again, I just wanted to show you the beautiful boxes, and we're gonna go through the bracelet first, the charm bracelet. Now you can get various charm bracelets with 3 beads all the way up to, I believe, 15 beads. This bracelet has a very long name and I'm going to read it for you, but I'll also give you the link down below. It's called Sterling Silver Mysterious Allure Charms Bracelet Set with enamel in rose gold plated. Now you can get 3 sizes. I got the 6.9 inch size, which is the smallest size. And depending on your wrist measurements and the number of beads you get, if you get more than 5 beads, you might want to definitely go up one size. This is tarnish resistant silver S180, so not pure sterling silver, but it is absolutely gorgeous. They have a really nice safety clasp, and the way you open it, I hope you can see, is you put your thumbnail, your fingernail in here to open it up, just like that. And you have the safety clasp so you don't lose it. And the safety clasp also prevents the beads from going anywhere. So on this particular charm bracelet, it does say, I love Paris. You have the Eiffel Tower in a couple of places. You have Basilica of the Sacred Heart and the Arc de Triomphe. Where is the Arc de Triomphe? Oh, it's on this bead right there. The Arc de Triomphe. It is gorgeous. I don't have the best camera setup, but I can tell you it has these little diamond clusters, obviously not real diamonds. It has the enamel, which is a dark bluish black on the back of the bead. This is a double charm actually that separates, see? On the back of it, it says, I love Paris. It's just beautiful. It's really beautiful. I'm gonna put it on and show you what it looks like. To get it closed, the clasp, of course, you're gonna have to fiddle it a little bit. I'm not gonna show you all my fiddling on camera of getting this clasp closed, unless I can do it in one shot. We shall see. Let's take a really quick look. So what you do is you open this part up right here, just like so. There's a little part right there that you opens, and you put this clasp piece in it. Let's see if I can do it on one try. If not, I'm gonna stop the camera and I'll show you what it looks like on my wrist. Here we go. Now it's always easier if you have somebody helping you. I got it on. Each time I practice with it, I get it on a little bit quicker. So you can wear this a number of ways. You can wear it with the safety clasp on top and your charms down below like so. I personally like to turn this and wear it with the charms on the outer portion of my wrist. And it's very dainty. I like to wear it like this. I think it's so pretty. And I do have this safety part right here in the back, so in case this was to accidentally break, I'm not gonna lose the bracelet. But it's absolutely so stunning and so pretty. The good thing about this company, say if I wasn't happy with this, I can return this for a full refund within 30 days of delivery. And if the bracelet was to break in the first 365 days, you contact them and let them know, and they're gonna make it right. But if I didn't like it, if for any reason, I could return it in 30 days. So I really thought that was a great policy. And free shipping once you reach 39 bucks. What a good deal that is. So that is the bracelet. Absolutely, I don't know. It's very girly. Makes me want to go to Paris. But if I'm not going to go to Paris, I'll just go somewhere in my neighborhood and just walk around being all fancy and stuff. But it's really pretty. All right, the earrings. These are absolutely stunning. They are little cathedral earrings from Notre Dame. Let me get you the specs real quick on these earrings. These are sterling silver S925 earrings in gold plated. And they also have little chippies in them. Absolutely beautiful. And these are also charms. So you can get these, like, say if you like, oh, I really do like the earrings, but I want to put this on a charm bracelet. This is a charm. You can put them on a bracelet as well. Let me take one off. Show you the intricate little diamond chippies there. And there's little diamond chippies around there. Of course, when I say diamond chippies, I don't mean real diamonds. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and show you what they look like. See if I can get one on camera without stopping the video. And of course, I couldn't put the earrings on camera, but I did put them on off camera. And they are absolutely stunning. And pull my ear out a little bit. I think they're beautiful. Aren't they gorgeous? This is the Notre Dame series in Enchanted Paris collection. Again, these charms are interchangeable, so you can buy additional charms, or you can use the base of this earring and create your own type of earring that you'd like to wear. But I love that they're interchangeable. You can put in various charms. And I think this earring, it's not heavy, but I do like a little bit of a drop earring. So those are the earrings, absolutely gorgeous. And this is the bracelet from the Enchanted Paris collection that is very hot right now, especially with the Olympics coming to Paris in a few short weeks. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much, Gona Jewelry, for sending me these beautiful items for my review. If you're interested in purchasing, I will leave the link down below. Lisa20 will get you 20% off of your order. They have beautiful earrings, beautiful charms, beautiful bracelets. Check out their flagship store. You can see it online, their charm store. Remember, 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like the item for any reason, 30 days from receipt. You contact them and you send it back. And 365-day warranty on all jewelry pieces in case they break or tarnish or something happens. You can contact them and they're gonna make it right for you. All right, all. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching today and have a great one. Bye. Actually, I'm back. Before I pop off, I do want to show you, in the bottom of the box was a little gift bag. If you wanted to gift somebody with Gona jewelry, it does come with a gift bag in the box, and inside is, just want to make sure there's nothing there, a cleaning cloth in here. So if the jewelry is not for yourself, if you want to gift it to somebody, I did want to show you that this also included the gift bag. Okay, I am gone for sure for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.